Today, I'm going to teach you how to add Amazon AWS icons to your Draw.io diagram. This is incredibly useful when you're creating cloud architecture diagrams or visualizing your AWS infrastructure in a clear, professional way. First, open your browser and navigate to draw.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a Start button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on it to launch the diagram editor. This will open the Draw.io workspace in a new tab, giving you access to all the drawing and diagramming tools you'll need for your project. Once the new tab loads and you're in the Draw.io interface, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll notice a search bar positioned there, which is your gateway to finding specific shapes, icons, and elements for your diagram. This search functionality makes it incredibly easy to locate exactly what you need without having to browse through countless categories manually. Click on that search bar and type in Amazon IO's icon or simply Oz. As you type, Draw.io will start showing you relevant results. This search will pull up a comprehensive library of AWS service icons, including everything from EC2 instances to S3 buckets, Lambda functions, and beyond. These are official AWS icons that match the standard visual language used in professional cloud architecture documentation. Once the search results appear, you'll see a variety of AWS icons displayed. Browse through them to find the specific service icon you need for your diagram. When you've located the right one, simply click and drag it onto your canvas. You can position it wherever you need it in your diagram. The drag and drop functionality makes it straightforward to place multiple icons and arrange them to represent your AWS architecture accurately. You can repeat this process for as many AWS icons as you need, building out your complete infrastructure diagram piece by piece. Each icon can be resized, repositioned, and connected with arrows or lines to show the relationships between different AWS services in your architecture. And that's it. You've successfully added Amazon AWS icons to your Draw.io diagram, making your cloud architecture visual, clear, and professionally presented. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.